Hello everybody, Katerina here. Welcome to my kitchen. Well, some dear friends of ours are coming down from Niagara on the Lake, and I asked them to stop by for a light dinner and dessert. And for dessert, I'm going to be preparing lemon bars. The summer is a perfect time for lemon bars. It's like sunshine on a plate. Now let's get started. I prepared my pan. It's 8 by 8. I sprayed inside. I placed parchment paper, sprayed inside, floured it. I love this pan, and if you find these pans, grab them because they're so hard to come by. The bottom lifts up, so it makes it so much easier to lift whatever you're baking. We're going to start with the crust to the lemon bars because that has to be pre-baked. I'm going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and the zest of half a lemon. Okay, that should do it. I'm just going to I love these blades, I just love them. I'm going to give this a really good mix and set it aside. I'm going to start grating 1/2 cup of cold unsalted butter. It just makes it easier for the crust. You have to move fast because you don't want the butter to fall down to room temperature. With a pastry cutter, I'm just going to cut it into the flour. Okay. Now that it's little pebbles, little pieces of dough, okay, it's ready to be placed into the baking pan. My oven has been preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I'm just going to add this to my baking dish. Okay, I'm just going to press it down ever so slightly. I just wanted it evenly distributed. There we are. Okay, I like using the back of a measuring cup just to get everything down. Okay, in the oven for 15 minutes. While the crust is baking, we're going to start with the filling. 1 cup of granulated sugar in a food processor. To the sugar, I'm going to add the rind of 1 lemon, and I'm going to give this a really nice pulse. This way the lemon and the juices from the lemon rind will infuse inside the sugar. Okay, let's just let the food processor do the work. Let's check the sugar. Oh, look how beautiful. Oh, if you could only smell my kitchen. I'm going to add 1 cup of cream cheese, full fat cream cheese, at room temperature. Very important to have it at room temperature. Splits. Oh, perfect. This is exactly how you want it to be combined. To a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder just to give it a little bit of a lift. Mix and to the food processor. And blitz. 1/2 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. I'm going to start with the eggs. We're going to need 4 eggs at room temperature, and we're going to add them to the mixture 1 at a time. And 4. Final blitz, and our custard, lemon custard, is ready for our lemon bars. My crust is ready. It's golden brown. My filling is ready. Now all I'm going to do is add it. I kept my oven on at 350. Okay, back in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. Okay, in the oven, in 15 minutes, I will rotate the pan. Okay, it's been 38 minutes. My lemon bars should be ready. Okay, beautiful. Now all I'm going to do is let it cool for 1/2 an hour. So my lemon bars have been cooled for 25 minutes. I took them out of the pan. Now I'm just going to add some icing sugar. Okay, now I'm going to cut them in the serving size. Now, because we're only going to be 4 people, I can be a little bit generous with my portions. I'm just going to cut down here. Going to cut down the center. Now, of course, you can make your portions as large or as small as you like. But like I said, we're only going to be 4 people, so I can be generous. I chose these beautiful plates for serving. I love beautiful china. And look at that. How gorgeous is that? My lemon bars are beautiful. These are fantastic, even for a barbecue, casual lunch. You can also serve them with fruit or a dollop of whipped cream. But I'm going to taste it for you. Oh, just... Sunshine in my mouth. This is beautiful. Creamy, lemony, delicious, wonderful. I can't think of anybody that would not love this dessert. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. It's Katerina from My Home to Yours. Don't forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel. Ciao!